First position, Justin Warriors. Jump ball, Moses ball.
Roses ball. Travis. May chase. Huwag mo ibalik.
14 shot.
Tapa. Hindi pa siya nakapractice ng rebound. Isa pa. Hands up lang. Paano? Sige lang, hands up. Lakas ah. Sige lang. Malakas yun eh.
Jumper, good. Good. Jesus.
Ano first rebound? Then to shoot. And whistle. Foul number 22, issue foul. Second team foul Moses. First personal foul number 22. Shot clock 40. Then to shoot. Robbery. Number 7 is the shot. Foul number 22. And Alicia, foul number 7. Issue foul. First personal foul, first team foul. And a steal.
Hindi tayo makababa ng bola. Jello.
40 to shoot. Ito na lang. 10 seconds to shoot. Roses ball.
Trap agad.
And a steal by number 23. Pinag-join control. Score is 4-0.
Pasa kay Travis.
Second team foul. Two shots. Second turn.
Go, Jello. Sapa.
Rebound, 23. Castaneda with the shot. Another offensive rebound. Number 23. Ginagawa. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 20. Castaneda. Score 6-1. Okay, Oscar Rosas.
Pass to Jello. Pass to Travis.
Rosas drives.
Coachy, go. Coach. Okay na.
Bowling up to the bowling. Number 24. Number 24, That's the number 24. Castaneda. Malakas. Rebound.
Nice rebound, CJ. Go, CJ.
Shot clock. 10 to shoot.
Rebound. Hands up! Ay, pinapasa sa kalaban.
And yellow ball. Time remaining 5 minutes and 25 seconds. G, okay na, nasa number 28. And a foul, number 23. 13 foul. Number 23, that was the first personal foul. 13 foul.
Oh, grabe. Rebound.
Heavy, wala. Rebound, number 44. Number 25, wala. Same ball. Number 5. And Wilson traveling.
Alam kong gutom na eh.
Steal. And what's the problem? Line violation. Same ball. Number 22.
Rebound! Jello, rebound!
48 seconds remaining. Castaneda, number 24. Another steal. Crystal Moses. Score is 12-5.
Rebound!
Castaneda, wala.
Go, CJ, rebound. Nice.
Score number 5, CJ. And foul number 44, Sandler. Entering penalty on the supporters. Okay, 14 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot.
Nice one.
And out of bounds. Three minutes to be exact.
Sapa. Rebound, kuya, rebound.
And jump ball.
Desert Warrior ball.
Nice! Inay na!
14 shot clock.
Rebound!
Rebound number 15. Moses
Rebound, rebound! Go, go. Sapa. Asel. Ay. Ginantiyan siya.
Spurs nearby. Chanakoni. Desert Warriors. Number 23, wala.
Okay na.
10 seconds to shoot. Number 23, wala pa rin. Rebound number 15. Number 6.
Pass, to Kim!
Moses. Number 24, number 6 seconds. Bold shot for Moses. 1 minute and 47 remaining.
Rebound, CJ!
Rebound number 5. Shot.
Jen, go.
Rebound. Wala pa rin. Jump ball, Moses on.
Gagawin magkakampi.
Smarte kay Liv!
14 seconds shot clock.
Hello!
Scores 12-9, 3-point lead. Desert Warriors. Castaneda, wala.
Walang nag-rebound!
Number 30, 2
Rebound!
points.
Go!
Number 24,
Baba na.
Liv! Inay!
is by CJ.
Good job, CJ.
Foul number 19. 13th foul. Penalty. 2 shots for CJ. That's good.
Yeah! Good job, CJ.
Second row. The shot. Rebound number 20.
Nice hustle, CJ. Nice hustle. Huli.
45 seconds.
Harap.
45 seconds. Correct for the
Nice.
ball. 27 seconds.
Rebound.
Rebound Castaneda. Wala. Rebound number 15.
Let's go, Jem.
15 seconds. Number 7. Roses.
Ano nangyari?
One
Bola daw.
number 5 for the game.
Bola daw.
Score 16-14.
Hey! Hey!
5 seconds remaining. Dali lang, pinan natin yung basket o hindi.
Sige, tingnan nyo kung pumasok o hindi. Pero parang pasok siya.
It's 18-14 for
Favor of
Puli.
Desert Warrior.
Desert Warriors.
Yun o, tinira o. Pasok. Ay, hindi. Ay, nice rebound, CJ. Galing, galing. Diretso mo. Rebound, rebound, rebound. Nakakatawa na ito mga rebound, rebound. Rebound, Jem. Diretso, diretso. Ayan na. Ayan na.
Elmo.
Yan lang magdadala.
Drop, drop, drop. Drop, drop. One more, one more, one more, one more. Pressure! 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 Trap! Trap! Huli! Rebound! Rebound! Go, Andre! Go, Andre!
Set, set, set.
Set! Set!
10 seconds to shoot.
Jem! Rebound! Na-identify na natin yung mga magdadala natin. And one, ayan, pinalitan na nila. Ayan na, mag-change na sila ng play.
Bonus shot para kay Moses. Scoring machine. Pagbilang na lang.
Ayusin nila, ayusin nila.
Okay, bonus shot.
Yes! Pressure! Pressure! Yes! Go Jem! Go Jem! Kick out! Kick out! Kick out! Kick out! Rebound! Rebound!
Okay, come on.
Nice!
Number 44.
Nakalabas sila sa trap.
Shoot!
Rebound! Hands up lang! Hands up lang! Nice CJ! Pasa! Rebound! Rebound! Rebound here! Baba! Baba! Nice pass.
Castañeda, wala. Kasi
Hands up, hands up lang. Rebound, rebound. Hands up, hands up lang.
24, collect for 2 points sa wakas.
Sige lang. Tayo, tayo, tayo. Huli! Ay, huli, huli!
Binigay kay number 44.
3
10
seconds.
seconds to shoot.
Seconds lang.
10 seconds to shoot. Steal.
Nice play, nice play.
Violation.
Let's go, Andre.
Score is 20-25.
Help, help, help!
And
Pasa!
steal.
Nice one. Isa pa, isa pa.
Ikot, ikot.
Ay, last
Red
time
ball.
natin.
Defense, defense. Defense.
Pressure ba ulit? Hindi. Sinab na. Sino?
Chase, Chase, go to the other side, left side.
Pareho silang ano eh.
Defense on.
Pagod
Castañeda.
na nila nag-trap.
Huli.
Number 18, that was your
First.
first personal foul. First team
First
foul.
team foul.
First throw, wala. Score natin 20-25.
Back out shooter!
Rebound, James.
Second throw.
Back out shooter!
Wala pa din. Rebound.
Jem.
And
Ah,
versus ball.
baba. Andre, pasa agad.
Ah!
Pinasa ka lang. Ay. Pasa!
Moses Diretso, may foul. Galing kay number 7, Castañeda.
Number 7,
Castañeda,
second.
that was your second personal foul. Second team foul is for Warriors. 2 shots for Moses. Basket. 22-26.
Kanina, hindi
Second
na
throw.
Kaya nga eh. Dapat yun yung binibigay ng referee. Bola hanggang hindi ayusin yung mga jumper.
Go, Jem! Go, Jello! Huli! Ah!
Number 44, that was your third
Third.
personal foul.
Tatlong si 44.
Third team foul.
Yellow.
Jello! Baba!
Ayaw ipasa kay Jello. Let's go. Rebound.
Rebound.
For three.
Number 30 to number 24. Pass to Castañeda.
Hands up lang, compound.
Against Moses. To number 24.
Hands up lang, hands up.
Wala.
Hands up lang, hands up.
Number 50.
First. First ba? Trinidad.
Yellow.
Number 50, that was your first personal foul. Second team foul. Moses, bonus shot.
Jim! Hands up lang, Jim!
Wala. Rebound, number 18. Pass to
Go,
number
Jem!
15.
Jem, 22.
To number 22.
22 pala si Travis. Travis, pass! Nakuha. Jump ball. Process ball.
Same ball. Center.
Sinong ilalabas? Jello in, Andre out.
Sino ba?
Si Andre. Pinikilala niya.
Screen!
10 seconds to shoot.
Di ba, Pin? Nice.
Wala.
Sabay, sabay.
Rebound, number 24.
Nice hustle.
Rap!
Rebound!
Defense, number 24.
Go, go, go.
28. 2 point lead.
Nice one, Jello. Go.
Moses.
Jello to Jello. Binalik. Go, Travis. Attack,
48
Travis.
seconds to shoot.
Tala!
Moses.
Isa pa.
Number 44, that was your fourth personal foul.
44.
Center. Apat na yun, coach.
Focus ka. Assist! Ella!
Okay, 2 shots.
Ang hirap kalaban ng ano. Ice cream daw! Dinidistract nyo naman, hindi kayo talaga.
Second throw.
Sinasabi lang kung anong flavor.
Lakas.
Chocolate! O,
Number 30.
balita na lang. Nice, Travis. Nice hustle. Nice hustle. Hands up now! Nice one.
Number 44.
Pasok.
Wala. Just like that. Connect one more. 28-29.
Go, Travis. Baba.
And another 22. Drive.
Hands up lang. Yun.
Count it! Count it!
Why? What happened? Sintas. Dalawang nagsisintas. Dapat nasa reminder natin yan. Yung mga sapatos, mga jewelry.
May pahinga. Yun ang sabi ko eh. Yung on pahinga. Hey, 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 hey! Up! Yellow! Yellow! Yellow!
Nagtatrack sila!
Jay!
White ball.
Give a good pass! Okay lang yan, go si Jay. Hands up lang, hands up! Nice. Ay!
Rebound. Double. This one Warriors ball. Simple.
Yellow 13!
Anong 13? Yung number?
10 seconds.
Oy! Woo! Amazing! Unexpected. Rebound.
One minute 50 seconds.
Rebound. Isa pa.
Okay, so goal.
Go, John! Go, John!
1 minute and 44 remaining.
Lumapit! Tuloy mananalo! Ay!
Ano ba?
Sige. Good drive. Adjust tayo, adjust.
Kuha!
Defense!
Boys, number 1,
Jay!
Kabila!
Oh, good hustle, John. Hands up. Oy! Walang pantay. Naku. Huwag ka nang 8 seconds tayo. Nasobra ng triple C. Sumasakto na nitong coach. Okay lang yan, coach. Good experience yan.
and it's still kick ball versus ball. 1 minute and 26 remaining. Versus ball, in town. CJ Ondrela.
Pasa, 18! Ay, ang lapit mo. Pasa! Go, John! Go, Jeloy! Ay,
1 minute. 5 seconds
John!
remaining.
Jello, rebound! Ano, John, rebound?
Save.
Ay, nice! Nice, John! Warriors.
Sublet out.
Roses! Roses! Roses ball! Roses!
Okay, Roses ball. 42 seconds remaining. Headlock.
May bola,
Ball
bola!
33.
Yellow!
Go, Travis!
Green!
35 seconds.
Hirap!
Headlock 30.
One, babon! Babon!
Double kill! Double! Double! Hands up! Rebound! Rebound! Hands up lang! Pasa kay John! John rebound! Jello rebound!
Okay, second quarter. Position score 35 all. Roses.
Rebound! Rebound! Rebound!
Number 25. And now,
Dalawa kayo, Paul.
and the whistle. Foul number 45. Number 45, that was your second personal foul. Sublet, sub. Basket.
Go, Travis. Go. Kirk.
Number 28,
Sabay,
Bola.
sabay.
And foul number 50.
Jem! Huwag na masyadong galaw.
Ano na yata ni Jem? Second or third? Second. Wow! Huwag ganun.
Score number 52, Roses. Foul number 25. Number 25 was your first personal foul. Wala. Roses pa rin nakakuha.
Tayo, 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 tayo. Go, CJ!
Two.
Ay, Travis.
And
Backboard,
backboard
backboard.
violation. Sublet.
Developmental pa talaga. Naman? Bandage? No, what happened? It's okay, anak. I got you. Go to Papa.
Castaneda. Number 44, wala. Rebound, CJ, number 50. Number 50, and also foul number 10, blocking foul. Number 10, that was your first personal foul. 13 foul, Desert Warriors. Number 22, wala. Kasabi na naman. Number 22, Samuel. Number 22, that was your second personal foul. Second team foul, Moses, 2 shots. Second ball. Wala pa rin. Talo. Nakalimutan na number 15. Moses, wala. Awan. CJ Rodriguez, nasa number 28. Number 50, Trinidad. Foul on number 8. 13 rather. 13, that was his second personal foul. Entering penalty, Desert Warriors. CJ. Scott Moses, sino nito play? 14 seconds to shoot. CJ wala. Rebound number 24. And a whistle. Foul number 30. Pushing foul. Thunder. Number 30, that was your first personal foul. 30 foul. Moses. Scott Castaneda. 40 seconds to shoot. And jump ball, bola ng Moses. And that was 14 seconds to shoot. Rebound ng 20 again. Wala. Rebound number 30. Agaw nila ang 15 sa ilalim. Wala. Rebound number 20. Ito ang 24. Castaneda. Castaneda wala. Rebound number 28. Ito na. Number 28 pinalumaan ang bola. Ito na makakagaw. Moses. Desert Warriors. Number 7, that was a third personal foul. Okay, so Desert Warriors, set number 7, tatlo. Number 44, warning, not playing fouls, ha? And there's 2 shots para kay Moses. First throw. Basket. Good luck, all 39. 4 minutes 41 remaining. The second shot, another rebound. 10 seconds to shoot. Abang Quaker, wala. Good luck, all 39, right ball. Robbery! Nakakabawi. Ipol mo na yung bola para makapag. Sa 44. Kasi di ba nasa 30. Wala pa rin. Number 30, that was your second personal foul. Anthony 20, on shot. Number 50, and number 28. Wala. Rebound number 44. Number 6.
Pangilan na ni Sid.
Sige. Number 6 Moses, that was the first personal foul. Penalty na penalty.
Penalty na. Penalty na rin. Hindi ko nakikita yung score. Pamaya na lang.
Okay, wala. Safe ball. 14 seconds to shoot. And violation. Seconds to shoot. 10 seconds. 2 minutes and 13 seconds remaining. Shot clock. 10.
Sabay, rebound.
One ball.
Tingnan niya yung lang.
One minute 30 seconds. 47 shot
Nice
clock.
hustle, Andre. up lang, Jem.
4.8, just right Warriors. And foul number
Third pen, 23.
Sino yung foul, Coach?
Sino number 10?
10, sorry.
10?
Second personal foul, number 10. Shoot siya. Pangalawa. First throw. Basket. 43-40. Second throw. Wala.
Go!
Game number 50.
Sapa.
Roses, reverse, wala. Wala ba din? 50 seconds remaining.
Kuha, Jello! Ay! Naman si Jello! No! Set! Hands up!
Wala pa
Up!
rin.
Ayaw!
And same ball. 28 seconds remaining. 14 seconds to shoot.
Ayaw ko na.
Justin, rebound, pass and field. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 to shoot. Justin.
Rebound, Jello, rebound!
Rebound, Jello same ball. 10 seconds remaining. 10.8 seconds.
Hands up lang, sir.
10 seconds. Kiyon. Ang lakas. Tapos 0-0 rebound. Nilabas yung bola 10 seconds. Tumira. Okay. Now in the third quarter. Brazil score 43-40.
Ganda ng laban ninyo.
Number 44. Papalo. Rebound. Nagawa ng bola. Sino ang nakakula? Ten seconds to shoot.
Nice play, bro.
Rebound, number 50. Number 50. 40. And foul number 7. Number 7, that was your fourth personal foul warning. Dalawa na yung warning ko sa number 44 na pass number
7 tsaka 44. Apat na yan. Oh, grabe.
Flat na number 50. Robert. Number 10, pass to Kiyon.
Go, CJ. Hands up, no foul.
Roses, dire-diretso, wala.
Pasa ka.
And meron tayong foul. Number 6, Roses, that was her second personal foul.
Composure!
Kiyon, Castaneda.
Rebound.
Kiyon, that was your second personal foul. Second team foul, Desert Rose. CJ Omega, pass to number 22.
CJ.
Another team.
8 seconds, CJ.
Yes, we did go. Pass number 15, Trinidad. Wala. Rebound number 15. Ito, pass
sub mo. Okay.
Nice pass by number 20. And may foul sa likod.
Graduate 44. Ay,
Two shots. Third personal foul, number 13.
okay.
13 foul. Desert Warriors, 2 shots. First
Let's go,
goal.
Andre! Get one, Andre! Saya naman. Rebound, CJ!
Rebound, number 14. Justin, nice pass.
Nice
Number
pass.
24. The shot is 41-14, 11-14.
Hi. Sorry,
Untis,
Kaya
kaya
talaga.
pala kita lumabay.
Pass!
Moses,
Grabe.
nakatali na. Oh! Uy! Nakatakas na sa linya.
Composure! Compose!
Okay, mahaba pa yan. 6 minutes.
Yari, pag nagtatrans na yung anak ko na.
Castañeda online foul.
Play by play lang. Oy!
Shot clock 15 seconds.
Next gen. Go Warriors!
Castañeda
Libre
malakas.
yung walang naka-one time.
And the second.
Jem, Jem, Jem. Nice pass.
Moses, na 3-14. And meron tayong foul.
Out.
Uy! Number 7.
Graduate na.
Graduate na. Number 7, Castañeda, foul out. Sige.
Parang kinakabahan yung 7 saka 44 kasi pareho sila. Go Andre, very good composure. Sige, tuloy mo yan.
10 seconds to shoot.
Ako, narinig ko 10
Aligdan.
seconds.
Uy, oh, ganda.
Narinig niyo yung 10 seconds na lang. Set the play. Sakit, sakit. Gawin ni Betsa.
Fourteen seconds to shoot.
Yun o.
Number 30. Tatampakan dito.
Grabe. Nakakabahan na. Let's go. Laro lang. Laro.
Number 44. And time violation. Process holding
Go,
foul.
Andre.
Pastel number 29. Process. Process. Connect
Yo!
the points.
Pressure. Pressure.
Dion.
Pressure.
Number
Pressure.
24. And steal by 29. Perez. And foul on number 24. Penalty. Number 24. That was your first personal foul. Two shots for Perez.
Shoot, Andre. Shoot.
First throw, malakas.
Get one, Andre. Get one. Get one.
Second throw. Mira. Short rebound.
Nice, Jem.
Number 50.
Hands up, no foul. Hands
Number
up.
54. And a steal by Roses. Eto,
Hands up,
Roses.
Kirk.
Roses dinediretso.
Next one ka na, anak.
Score 55-44. 11 points. Justin. Moving the ball. Pass to Kilo.
Hands up lang, hands up.
To Ihi.
44, oh. Hands up. Foul, 6. Hands up.
Number 6.
Third na yan.
Ball of foul Roses. Third personal foul on Roses. Second team foul. 2 shots for number 24. Kapolet. First goal, wala. 2 minutes and 23 seconds remaining.
Go, Miggy!
Sige, mashoot siya.
Play, enjoy the last second. Play. Play hard.
Okay, number 2 para kay number 24. 56-44. 2 minutes and 20 seconds.
Mahina yung pasa ni Kirk.
And set. Hit mo ko na. 14 shot clock.
Deny!
Riley. 2 minutes, 10 seconds. Last 2 minutes. 14 shot clock.
Cut, cut, cut! Walang nag-cut.
10 to shoot. Put it on the board. Number 28. Number 24 for the rebound to Justin. 1 minute 45. Out of bounds.
Hawakan ni ano?
1 minute 44 seconds remaining. 56-46. 10 point lead. Reserve Warriors.
Uy! Traveling ka.
And number 23, Gio Lamasur. Penalty. Third personal foul. Penalty.
Una naman.
First throw, wala.
Get one niya.
Second throw. Wala pa din.
Sabay-sabay, Jelo.
1 minute and 20. Still. Roses. And a foul of number 13. Number 13, Lamasur.
First.
Fourth personal foul warning.
Labo na naman ako. Hindi ko makita.
2 shots for Roses.
Shot mo lang. Yes.
Basket. 56-47. Natalie Colby.
Rebound! Rebound,
Rebound.
sige!
Number 20. To Justin.
Double team!
One minute.
Double team! Double team!
And a foul. 1 seconds remaining.
Thumbs up!
Oh, yung dip hit. Pasok na dito. Balik ka dito yung dip hit.
Drop, double team! Takbo!
45 seconds. Speed by Justin. 40 seconds. Point and shot clock.
Nice pass.
10 to shoot.
Tayo.
Roughly 28.6 seconds remaining.
Nice one.
Good point. 56-50, 15 seconds remaining. And still, wait for that. 15 seconds. 10 to shoot. 8 seconds. And foul on number 5. 13 foul.